Welcome to Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Batavia, Ohio. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out clutter, or managing a construction project, we're here to make waste management easy and reliable. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we understand the importance of having a dependable partner for your dumpster rental needs. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer service and ensuring your project goes smoothly from start to finish. We offer flexible solutions to fit your needs, with various dumpster sizes available, from small ones for home cleanouts to large containers for commercial projects. We aim to deliver and pick up dumpsters promptly, minimizing any disruption to your project timeline. We also prioritize transparency in pricing, so you can rest assured knowing there are no hidden fees. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or business owner in Batavia, Ohio, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati is your trusted partner for efficient and reliable dumpster rental services. Contact us at 513-586-8313 or visit www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Rental Batavia OH to learn more about our dumpster rental in Batavia, Ohio, and start your rental process. Experience the difference with Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, and let us help you manage your waste with professionalism and care.